Once upon a time.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready? Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
While
Once.
you're listening to the story, listen to the glug glugs of the stuff in the water under the boat.
Yeah, it adds suspense. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a girl. Oh, I'm getting scared now. Okay. I know. Okay. There was a girl. She was home alone. And all of a sudden, she heard the phone. Ring, ring. Hello? I am the Bloody Finger. And I'm 7 miles away. The girl gasped. And so she hung up the phone. Who is a Bloody Finger? She thought to herself. And then, all of a sudden, she heard the phone ring again. Ring, ring. Hello? I'm the Bloody Finger, and I am 5 miles away. Sorry, I'm trying to... Okay. She started getting freaked out this time because he was getting closer. And so she got her knife ready. Actually, I just added the knife because of Nikki.
I was sitting there with my knife.
Okay, and then, so she was getting ready and stuff. She locked her door just to be careful. And all of a sudden, ring, ring. Hello? I'm the Bloody Finger. And I am 3. Okay.
Is this really a scary story?
Supposed to be.
Don't crack up in the middle of this.
And I'm 3 miles away.
You're doing good, you're doing
Okay, 3 miles away. Oh my gosh, she started calling her parents just to be careful. Her parents were like, oh, it's okay. It's just a Bloody Finger. Actually, they weren't. They were more like, oh my gosh. So yeah, and then she hung up. I'm so bad. Ring, ring. Hello, Bloody Finger? Yes, and I am 1 mile away. She hung up. Oh my gosh, she was starting to get freaked out. She didn't know whether to call the police or not because, I mean, he wasn't at the door or anything. And then all of a sudden, ring, ring. I am the Bloody Finger, and I am at your door. Okay, so she gets her knife ready. She has the phone in her hand. And she starts walking towards the door. And I don't know why, but she opens it. I am the Bloody Finger. Can I have a Band-Aid?
Oh my god. I'm all getting ready to scream.